Today we discuss next part of the sets. Subset of sets. A set A is said to be a subset of set B if each element of A is also an element of B. If A is a subset of set B, then we write A is a subset of B. A equal to 1 2, B equal to 1 2 3, D equal to 1 2 3 4. So each element of A belongs to B and each element of B also belongs to D. So that A is a subset of B and A is also subset of D and B is a subset of D. Some important properties of subset. Every set is its own subset. Let A be any set. S belongs to A, imply that S belongs to A. So that A is a subset of B. Empty set is a subset of each set. Let phi be the empty set and A be any set. Then since phi has no element, we can say that there is no elements in phi which is not element of A. So hence each element of phi is an element of A. So that phi is a subset of A. For any three sets A, B and C, A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C. Then we to prove that A is a subset of C. So suppose let S belongs to A, but S is a subset of B, so that AX belongs to B, but B is a subset of C, so that S belongs to C. Since we suppose S belongs to A, but we get S belongs to C, so that A is a subset of C. The total number of subset of a finite set containing an element is 2 to the power n. For example, find the subset of A equal to 1 2 3, then number of subset of A 2 to the power n, 2 ka power 3 equal to 8. 5 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 2 3. Two finite set having m and n elements. The total number of the subset of the first set is 56 more than the total number of subset of the second set. Find the value of m and n. Let A and B be two sets having m and n elements respectively. Then number of subset of set A equal to 2 to the power m. Number of subset of set B equal to 2 to the power n. So 2 to the power m minus 2 to the power n equal to 56. 2 to the power n, 2 to the power m minus n minus 1 equal to 8. 56 is equal to 8 multiplied 7 to 2 ka power 3 into 2 ka power 3 minus 1. Comparing on both sides, we get n equal to 3 and m equal to 6. Proper subset of set. A set is a proper subset of set if A is a subset of B and A is not equal to B. Then number of proper subset 2 to the power n A minus 1. Superset. A set A is said to be a superset of set B if B is a subset of set of A. Now subset of the set R of a real number. N belongs to natural number, Z for integers, Q for rational number and R for real number. So each element of n belongs to Z, each element of Z belongs to Q and each element of Q belongs to R. So that n is a proper subset of Z, is a proper subset of Q, is a proper subset of R. Interval as a subset of R. So there are four types of interval: closed interval, open interval, closed open interval and open closed interval. Closed interval, it is the closed by big bracket. S belongs to A such that A less than equal to S less than equal to B. This is the closed interval. So 1 5 1 S is such that 1 less than equal to S less than equal to 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Open interval. It is the open by a small bracket and closed by a small bracket, or it is also denoted by this symbol. So S is such that A less than S less than B. This is the open interval. This is the symbol by closed open interval. That is S is such that A less than equal to S less than B. A is the belongs but B is not belong to this part. Open closed interval, it is denoted by this symbol. S is such that A less than S less than equal to B. Comparativity of the two set A and B are said to be comparable if neither A is a subset of B, if neither A is a subset. Two sets A and B are said to be comparable if either A is a subset of proper subset of B or B is a proper subset of A or equal to B. If neither A is a proper subset of B or B is a proper subset of A or not A equal to B, then A and B are said to be incomparable. For example, ABC, B, C, D, E are incomparable, but set 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 are comparable. Power set. The set or family of all the subset of a given set A is said to be a power set of set A and is noted by PA. A equal to ABC, then PA equal to phi A, B, C, AB, BC, AC, ABC. Venn diagram. Most of the relationship between the sets can be represented by means of diagram, which is the Venn diagram. Venn diagram are named after the English logician John Venn. This is a set represented by a circle. This is the set. Equal geometrical figure inside the inverse set. The inverse set is represented by the rectangular regions. Inverse, what do you mean inverse? In any discussion in the set theory, they always happen to be a set that contains all sets under consideration. Such a set is called the inverse set. It is denoted by capital U. Now discuss operation on the sets. So union of two sets. The union of the two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which are either in A or in B, in both. This set is denoted by A union B. A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 2, 3. Then A union B 1, 2 union 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Intersection of the two sets. The intersection of the two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which are common in A and B. Thus, set is denoted by A intersection B. So A intersection B is such that S belongs to A and S belongs to B. A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 2, 3. Then A intersection B 1, 2 intersection 2, 3 equal to 2. Disjoint set. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint set if they have the no common elements, that is A intersection B equal to 5. A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 3, 4. Then A intersection B 1, 2 intersection 3, 4 equal to 5. Difference of two sets. The difference of the two sets A and B in this order, also called the relative component of B in A, is the set of all those elements of A which are not element of B. It is denoted by A minus B. A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5. Then A minus B 1, 2, 3 minus 3, 4, 5 equal to 1, 2. We represented Venn diagram. Then this is denoted by A minus B, and this is also denoted by B minus A. Component of a set. The component of a set A is the set of all those elements of the universal set U which are not element of A, and is denoted by A dash or A to the power C. Universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to 1, 4, 5. Then A dash universal set minus A 1, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. Symmetric difference. Let A and B be two sets. The symmetric difference of the sets A and B is the set of A minus B union B minus A, and is denoted by A symmetric difference B. Thus, A symmetric difference B equal to A minus B union B minus A. S is such that S belongs to S is not belongs to A intersection B. So A minus B B union, this is the symmetric difference. So okay, next video we discuss next topic, law of algebra of sets and law of the set of operations. Okay, thank you and have a nice